how to send money from CIBC to RBC. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can send money from CIBC to RBC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the CIBC app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, open the menu that you can find at the top left corner of the home screen. By tapping on the three lines, you can access the menu. Then you have to tap on Interact e-Transfer. Once you select Interact e-Transfer, you will see all the options available to transfer and receive money. And all that you have to do is first add your contact by selecting Manage Contacts at the bottom. You will be able to input either their phone number or email address. Then you can go back and select Send Money that you can find on the main page for Interact e-Transfer. After that, just enter the account from which you want to transfer and the account in which you want to transfer and enter the amount as well. After filling in all these credentials, click on Continue and your money will be instantly transferred. So that's how you can send money from CIBC to RBC. That's all for this video.